Hi, my name is Sarah Barrington. I've always been very interested in natural things and not using chemicals in my body. And when I had children, that belief became strengthened, and I realised I really didn't want to put any chemicals into their bodies. So that's when I started really frequenting our local health food shop, Food for Life, and I got to know the homeopath who's there. His name's Abbas. And we would always have conversations, and I would ask him about things my children were going through, and he would recommend things, but he never actually recommended any remedies for me until he said that I should purchase a homeopathic first aid kit. And so I thought, okay, well, that's probably going to be bandages, maybe some homeopathic cream, something like that. So when it arrived, this arrived in the post, and this is what it looked like. And see all those tiny little capsules? I had no idea what to do with this. So I phoned Tal Clue, who had sent it to me, and I asked her what to do with it, and she kind of explained how you take the remedies and how you choose them. But it just wasn't enough for me. I really needed to find out more. So I looked at her website, and it said she had studied at the Irish School of Homeopathy. So I called the Irish School of Homeopathy, and I spoke to Jerry, and he said, well, the 4-year course has already started, but you could do a one-day course. And I said, I'll do the one-day course, but I think I'd like to do the 4-year course. And so I started on the 4-year course in November, and I haven't looked back since. It's been absolutely amazing. Jerry's been amazing, so thank you. And I've just learned so much, and I'm going to show you a little bit about what my family has learned, which is amazing, and also my parents.
My name is Ryan.
Lila. Bella. Morning.
I'm Sarah's mom.
And I'm Jim.
Homeopathy is a practice that uses plants and herbs.
It's something where you can take all these remedies. They make you feel better. Well, they're made out of flowers or bee sting. I've taken Magfoss, and it helped my earache. And this one is arnica, and I had arnica because I had a bruise. Apis and arnica.
What did you have belladonna for?
My earache. It worked, and the earache went away. The apis one is made from bee stings. It works to take away bee stings. I like it.
I've used several remedies, including the gelsinium, the Nux vomica, just one that I took last night for a sore I had in my mouth. Heparacel, it worked after 10 minutes.
Sarah gave me his Brionia, and I took it once, and it absolutely worked within 24 hours. And I've used it once since again.
I didn't know anything about this before Sarah started it. I was really skeptical because I worked in a pharma company and I don't believe in any of this, these types of remedies. And Sarah recommended I should try Eupatorium, which I did, and in 3 days it was gone. So I have to assume that it worked.
I used to take antibiotics.
And which do you think is better for your body, antibiotics or remedies?
Remedies.
I think it's brilliant. For the most things that happen from day to day with myself or with the kids, yeah, she can sort all that stuff out, which is really handy to have in the house.
I feel my body shining.
Do you?
There's no doubt in my
What's this?
Mega.
Do you want one?
Yeah.
Do they taste nice?
Yeah.
Oh, can I have it back?
No.
Why?
Back.
Okay, thank you.
Back.